Dean Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com studio meteorologist here with your overnight outlook. Let's start here in the tropics. We have Hurricane Paula. It's located in the Yucatan area near Cancun at this time. We're going to zoom in on this and get the information. You see where this is actually going now. We have the storm as a hurricane. It's going to come up not far from Cancun and then move in a general direction of the east. The cone of uncertainty is still in Florida, so we have to be very careful, very vigilant at this point. In Florida, this can change easily over the next 24 hours, so stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com, and we'll give you the latest information. If any changes do occur right now, like I said, the cone of uncertainty is the Keys and parts of southern Florida are in it, but the current track pulls it over Cuba. But like I said, this can change even rather easy, and we definitely should keep an eye on that. This is a closer look. So we have to really keep an eye on this, because remember last night we had it hooking around, so this has changed. So we have to keep an eye on it here, and like I said, we will here at LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Here's Paula, a very small hurricane, but very condensed, and it's very well organized at this time. The low pressure is right in the center of this. And like I said, this movement is going to be majorly in this direction and make the easterly turn and hit over Cuba, which is going to give problems to the mountains. Other than that, nothing really much else going on in the tropics. So let's go over to the severe weather side of things. And not much is even going on there, so Davis risk factor won't be for at least 2 to 3 days. Let's start with Wednesday here. 6 Zulu. Let's take a look at the front. You see we got one south of sitting in North Carolina now, coming back across the Oklahoma front in the area of Michigan. We also have that low pressure system in the Tennessee Valley. Let's move it into 12 Zulu if it moves over. You see it moves a little further to the east. The warm cold front tries to form warm front and retrograde. You got 2 low pressures now, one in the Ohio Valley, one down in Georgia, and you got the high pressure. This will be important for what's going to happen next when you get a nor'easter forming. Right there, Friday, you can see where it forms. Everything combines itself over to near New Jersey. What this will also do, this map's a little, in my view, off. You're going to get a low, coastal low develop in North Carolina area, move up, combine with those 2 lows you saw, and make one large low, and that will bomb out. So the winds will increase. And take a look at LiveWeatherBlogs.com meteorologist Rob Garino. He has a very great forecast. I'm going to stick with his forecast, exactly what he has in his blog, and I'll put that in my blog also, courtesy of him, for what we're going to expect. But North Carolina all the way up through the northeast expect to have high winds, 30 miles an hour at least, and rain, probably heavy at times, from at least Virginia northward. This is the model data here. You see where the low develops off Virginia. This is, let me see what this hour is on this. So this is precipitation. The GFS also bombs it out, especially for New Jersey. So you definitely have some interest and some issues in New Jersey. And here's, like I said, Rob Garino put this out information. Thursday and Friday, North Carolina, New York, and inland 200 miles, 1 inch to 2.5 inches. Winds at the coast 20 to 45 miles an hour, 15 to 30 in the inland areas. And he also put in here a Phillies being forecast. But definitely check back here with everybody here, including Rob Garino. And this is his product that he put out, and I'm going to stick with his forecast for what to expect. Northern Valley forecast, 73, chance of showers later in the day on Wednesday. Wednesday night, rain coming likely, 51, 61 cold degrees on Thursday with heavy rain probable, and the winds will be picking up, definitely northeast, and then to the north at 15 to 30, you get gusts possible to 40, and that includes in the Friday when it clears out, expect some northwest and west winds be at the same level, and then 64 on Saturday, chilly degrees for Saturday, and 44 on Sunday, and it looks to be a nice weekend through also through Sunday. And the triad forecast: showers late in the day, 76, 54 Wednesday night, chance showers. Showers likely on Thursday, 66. Winds are not as strong. I'm say 10 to 15 miles an hour, with gusts of 25. Mostly sunny on Friday, 65, 66 on Saturday, and nice on Sunday also. So keep an eye on Paula, see if it moves towards how close it will get to Florida. It's a small storm, so it really would have to make a northerly jog to happen. Nothing happened in the severe weather area, but a nor'easter, or nor'easter-like storm setting up for tomorrow night through Friday. Stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for the latest. Rob Guarino, I'm sure, will update his information. I will be updating mine, and every meteorologist here will update their information. So, until the next time I write this, Dean D. Davison, LiveWeatherBlogs.com, to the meteorologist. We'd like to thank you for watching.